Nasi means rice, goreng means to fry or fried, so Nasi Goreng becomes कुछ तो difference होगा normal और Indonesian fried rice में. Let's find out. Now, the recipe asks for day-old rice, tick, onion, tick, garlic, tick, red chili, tick. So here's the drill. For every substitute, I will be doing 10 push-ups. Orange chili, tick. Spring onion, tick. Eggs, tick. Cucumber, tick. Tomato, tick. Kecap Manis. Well, I don't have Kecap Manis. Bro, just order it. But wait, where there's internet, there's a way. We can make Kecap Manis at home. For that, I need soy sauce and brown sugar in 1:1 ratio with star anise and some peppercorns and ginger and garlic to give the flavor. Easy, right? Brown sugar. Ah, brown sugar. Sorry, bro. Shall we begin? Presenting Nasi Goreng. Now, if you add chicken to this, it will be Nasi Goreng Ayam. If you add shrimp to it, it will be Nasi Goreng Udang. If you add both chicken and shrimp, it will be Nasi Goreng Ayam Udang or Udang Ayam, depending on what's more. Simple, yet looks beautiful. It's just like fried rice. The difference is they add Kecap Manis, which is sweet soy sauce. So it adds the sweetness to this. And also shrimp paste. Oh, I forgot shrimp paste. Optional. It's optional. Relax. It's optional. कितने पुशअप हुए? So stay tuned for more Indonesian food coming this week and more push-ups.